All right, bright and early.
Oh, look at the beautiful pool.
Pool is cranking.
I'm joking.
It is getting better though. It's been hasn't been quite 24 hours, and you can now see to the bottom. So that's good.
I don't know what you're looking at, but
Well, you can see that that's almost the bottom down there. You can see a lighter color there.
I love how positive Noah is this morning.
Hey, look at our house over there that we stayed in that one time. It's open right now. I'm going to zoom in for the people.
For the people?
For the people. Where is it?
Noah's parents came and we rented a house.
Oh, there it is, the blue.
Right across from over here.
The blue
a couple
shutters.
years ago.
Yeah, it was nice. Those blue shutters are in the, oh, there's a person coming out. It's great. Yeah, that was really nice.
It was very nice, but I like this location better because we actually have the view of the beautiful church.
Yeah, we do. It's wonderful.
Let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
Early morning.
All right, so for tomorrow, we're going to be going early morning to Dudo Frere again, picking up our stone that's specially cut for this top.
You look like a school teacher with that.
And there will also be a stone that he cuts to go across here. So it'll look like one block. That's what we're trying to get, one block of stone. Gregory's been working on a Saturday, and he's got the stone in with the concrete. It's looking beautiful. That's going to be very nice. Very, very nice. We've got, I saw him doing the other side. What about this one? Let's see, did we get to this one yet? No, not yet, but the other one is being done right here. This one's just about done. It's parfait, parfait. Okay, so we got the stone laid in the windowsill, which is nice. Looks really good. Looks really good and rustique. It'll look great once these stones go all around it. It'll look beautiful, and we'll fill in the gaps. It'll look really nice. We wanted to go with the square edges. A lot of people told us that was more rusty or more modern, but we found that it matched our other stuff better with the square. And we just like it. The round looked a little too modern to us. So we went with the square, and we're going to be happy with it. Same thing on my bedroom over here. You can see down there the edge of it sticking out perfectly. That'll be very nice. All right, well, I've lowered the level of the pool. Now we're going to take this giant chlorine pad here and brick and scrub away the mold that's on there. The mushrooms.
I'm ready to participate. What felt like hours of work, judging from my dripping sweat and my strained arms. Do you want to see what I accomplished in these hours?
Let's go say.
It's
that section.
I looked back and I was like, are you kidding me?
It's all right. Just a little bit each day, and we'll slowly get it taken care of.
It's like the little engine that could.
That's right. All right, we're at Dudo Frere.
Very excited. This is the beginning of our stone stairs.
All right, let's go get it.
Well, Noah went to go bring the car around to get the stone, but in the meantime, let's look at my beautiful trough again. Noah says it's not deep enough to plant anything in there, because I was going to use that to plant some flowers. This is our stone here. That's the stone we're going to get. Looking good. That's a nice stone right there. Look at that.
That's pretty rustic.
Yeah, I love that.
Well, it's lunchtime, and we're going to go here to Maison Menton Lorg. Let's go see how it is. I guess they're eating inside. The sun's too bright. Well, that was a nice lunch, huh, Jenny?
Delicious. And I love the flea markets here. We're getting some treasures.
I got a nice lock over here I want you to go see.
Oh, let's go see.
All right.
Back at the house, gonna unload the treasures. Ooh.
Did we show all the treasures? But they're nice. Once we paint these, we get the leaves on
It'll be
here.
nice for the garden.
It'll be really nice. It's got little leaves here.
Okay.
I think they're beautiful little chairs.
And they were four for like 20 euros, so not bad.
I paid even less than that. Yeah. Oh, and I gotta show my at the final.
Oh, Noah's pièce de résistance.
Fire's out, people. all the time.
Putting fires out?
Putting fires out.
Oh my God.
That's a gem. We got that for what again? 20 bucks?
20 euros. She wanted 40. And I told you, I said, please don't even say yes to that. And she's like, okay, I'll take it.
It's a gem.
Another one of Noah's treasures is this old lock. He's been searching for a really cool old lock for his wine cave door, and he finally found it at the flea market we went to today. So I know he's super happy about that.
In addition to my lock, I also got this. Got these, I got both, this whole situation here, all of these for like 25 bucks. Couldn't beat it. These are for the windows when you open the shutters and you want them to stay. You have these guys, these little griffins, and they lock into place. You let down, you put the window back, and then you lock it down, and now they're stuck. The wind can blow and the doors can't move. We've got these. That's how I knew about them. We have a little face on this one. So that's cool, but I like the ones I just found. So you go like that, lift it up, the board goes behind here, and then when the wind blows, it can't move.
So let's see what we got.
All right,
here.
Jenny's here to see what I did. Let's go check it out.
He was so concerned that I did not tell Sebastian. He mentioned it 5 times.
Yeah, I heard him.
Yeah.
Our mason, he's messed up a few times. He doesn't want to get fired.
The mason who did the wonderful job on the column that literally fell on him 3 times.
We just have one job for him to finish, and that's it. Now he came today and finished up the final projects. We'll never use them again.
He broke one of the, or I should just say the only tile for the back window. We'll show that.
Yeah.
And he went hurriedly to the store, and it's kind of like the French Home Depot, and he bought the exact travertine and for 15 euros, and he handed us the bill. And he said, don't worry about it, but please don't tell my boss. Now we're waiting for Victor to come to do our stone steps. And instead of just a pizza oven, we're now going to do a whole outside kitchen.
Like a pekka in
yeah, and so people commenting,
Croatia.
oh, have you found out all the rules about the pizza oven and that? Yes.
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 Yeah, and if you go to our other channel, what's our other channel called?
I don't care.com.
Well, I was going to say, they could see all the pekka and all our trips to Croatia.
No,
No?
The thing is, you're just not allowed to have open flames, but we'll sort it out. Hey, if we can't use it in the summer or in the side months, then we can't use it. But at least we'd like to have it so we can use it when we can use it.
Yeah, you can still use it 6 months out of the year, I'm sure.
Yeah, it'll be fine. I'm not worried about that.
D'accord, you prepare. I'll do this.
Comme tu veux.
Oui.
C'est mieux ça.
Oui, oui, oui.
Ça, c'est,
Exact.
ça, c'est children.
Oui. Menuisier, menuisier. Children.
Ça, c'est...
Remove, oui.
Remove the stone
And glue.
and glue and move new stone.
D'accord. Okay. Victor just picked up this whole stone. It's got to weigh 300 pounds.
Venez, Popeye!
They don't call him Victor the Stone Stud for nothing.
Ah, okay. Ouais. Me cut the stone.
See, the front's perfect, Jenny.
I love it.
Yeah. The sides, you don't. The sides are actually good too. That side must be cut, huh?
It's cut,
Yeah.
but it's perfect still.
Stay. You see?
So at least Victor wears protective gear.
I'm gonna hold my breath. It's gonna be so much dust.
Jenny.
You see?
Ah ouais.
We're trying to fit the stone in. Victor has done his magic. He picks it up like it's a napkin.
What's going on?
Ouh! The big problem.
Wait.
Oh.
What the hell?
Le maître. Le maître, il est où le maître?
This is a problem. It's not prep.
Ah, combien t'as dessus là?
No, it won't work.
Eh, 6. Il y avait combien? Mais non, ça suffit pas. Eh, ça, ils se sont trompés.
They didn't cut it right?
No.
Well, the hits just keep on coming. The stone cutters did not cut the stone properly, even though they talked to Noah, they talked to Victor, they had the exact measurements. Noah even brought them that prototype cutout so they could just use that. But we're going to have to pivot.
4 cm stone. 1 cm glue.
Oui.
5 cm cut.
Oui.
Because 24
oui.
24 centimeters. Donc 24 it's here and here. 4 centimeters. Le problème, 24 cm là.
Ouais.
Tu vois? Donc il faut que tu recules.
So we might be able to salvage this. Well, we have to because they don't have another large stone at Dudo Frere. So we're going to have to figure out a way to make this work. So what Noah and Victor are thinking is we could put this right up against the stone facade and do some alterations around it.
Oh, ici.
Là.
Ah oui. Oui, oui, oui.
Il faudrait faire 2.5.
So parfait.
2.5, the marge.
Oui.
Meters. Et là, il y a 6.5 cm. Là,
It's too grand though.
c'est possible de toujours de couper.
Oui, oui,
Ça,
oui.
c'est pas- c'est-
Mais but too plus grand. We need to cut to
Non, si on fait comme ça, on n'a pas besoin de la toucher.
If it's like that, you don't have to touch it.
Oui,
si.
mais ici, it's too grand. Step is too close. It's too tight.
Non, mais là, il y a
C'est
les
trop
16, comme on a dit. 16.
Oh, you're saying.
Là, t'as toujours 16, là.
Oh, you want the overhang. Overhang.
Oui, il y aura le débord comme ça.
Like ici.
Comme ça.
Do you want the overhang or no?
Faut que ce soit
Oh.
comme ça.
So it won't look like one big stone.
It does.
Okay. Ooh,
I think it does. Oui.
No, it doesn't.
Yes. Look at the lip. He wants to put a lip all the way in there and have it overhang.
Pull it up so I can see what that looks like with the overhang.
That's the overhang. You
That
see?
kind of looks nice like that.
Okay. Well, if you like
Oh, I
that.
like that. Yeah, that looks better. That looks better. I think that looks much better.
Okay. I like the other way.
Really?
Right there.
You would see the grout line there then.
So what?
This way you don't see the grout line.
Yeah, that's true.
I like this. J'aime bien ça parce
Moi, je préfère.
Oui.
Yeah. Looking good.
After a long day,
But I have some goodies from the boulangerie.
we did a lot of work. I knocked off a couple little projects. We discussed our home. It's a busy week next week. We got the windows going in, the kitchen starting to go in.
We have now filmed the kitchen because there's been a lot of mishaps.
Yes.
I'm twitching just as I talk about it.
And we're trying to figure out how to explain it, and if we want to say
It's just,
mean things.
Say mean things?
Yeah.
There's been a lot of how should we put it?
Mistakes.
A lot of mistakes. But it's coming along.
Yep.
Everything will work out.
And as soon as the windows go in, then we will show you the kitchen.
And we'll show you what happened.
Yeah. Well, the one thing we do have going for us is this beautiful whitewash ceiling. You're welcome, Jenny.
I love it. I love it.
Yep.
A bientôt.
A bientôt.